Hi, can you tell me your name and your grade?
Yes, my name is Brenda Hernandez. I'm in the 10th grade.
Okay, so thank you, Brenda. What was your experience at first in Miss McDonald's class?
My experience in Ms. McDonald's class was I did really bad when Ms. McDonald was always there to support me through everything, and she helped me learn, and she gave me extra tips on what I can do to improve and what I didn't know.
Okay, so did you do like really bad all year? Did you do really bad? Like describe like when that was happening.
No, in the beginning of the year, I got probably a F, and then towards the end of the year, I got an A.
Wow, that's quite the growth. Like what explains how you're able to grow so much from an F to an A?
Miss McDonald will not give up on showing you something. She will be there with you every step of the way. She would explain to you like 5 times if you need it. She will not give up. She'll have after school sessions. She will have everything. She will stay. I've stayed with her for like up to 5 after school for her to just show me on one problem I didn't get. She was always there. She always had faith in me. So I guess that's what brought me up to my aim.
Wow, that's quite the accomplishment. Congratulations.
Thank you.
So I'm going to ask you a couple other questions. Miss McDonald's motto in the class, I'm sure you saw this every day walking into her class, is hard work equals success. What did that motto mean to you? And like in what ways did she teach you that like hard work equals success?
Miss McDonald, every time I would stay or have a chat with her, she would always tell me that I'm bright and I can do whatever I want. And her motto, hard work equals success, really did get to me. And this last semester I did bad on my report card, but then I went and go talk to Ms. McDonald and told her what was happening. And she was like, she's more than a teacher, she's my friend. So she was telling me that I can do anything, and if I put myself to the hard work, I can get it. And so she told me her motto again.
Yeah.
And hard work equals success, and I got my success with the 3.4.
Wow, that's great. So name one thing about like Miss McDonald's biology class that was, maybe different from your other classes.
She would have things that we will like. She will have class challenges, like we will compete like with other classes, and we would win like pizza parties, and we'll have demonstrations, and we'll have activities. She would make everything for us to make it fun, but we will learn at the same time.
So you had a lot of fun, it sounds like.
She was one of the few teachers that actually cared last year about all her students.
Okay, great. So in Miss McDonald's class, you did a lot of like tracking.
Yeah.
Sure you'll remember like you tracked your mastery.
Mm-hmm.
She also did trackers for your classwork, right?
Yes,
And your homework. What did you learn from like all this tracking, and like how did it help you?
It helped me now. I can go back and use the methods that she used to help me if I miss something in class or with like a project or whatever I need. Her tracking really helped me in doing most of the things I do today.
Okay. So, for example, like if you look at your mastery, like your mastery tracker, how did that help you prepare for like a unit test? I know those were big tests in Miss McDonald's class.
I would go back and see, and if the work that I was missing, she would have a shelf, and it would be a cabinet of the work that you missed. So I would go back and do it, and then if I didn't have a piece of paper that I threw away or something, I know I could go back and get it from there, and I'll study. So her little tracker made me get my A in my final.
Awesome. Okay. Thank you so much for talking to us.